Hi everyone, it's Jay from Mitosu and welcome to the Global Stampin Video Hop with the theme of Christmas. So today I'll be creating a simple treat holder using 2x6 DSP, so you can get 3 out of a 6x6 Designer's Series paper. This one is from the A Bow DSP with loads of different designs. So that's the pattern that I'll be using, but I have cut myself a basic white so you can see it a little bit better. And I'll be pairing that up with the Decorative Trees dies for decoration using Azure Afternoon cardstock, Granny Apple Green Festive Glimmer on there. So because it's really easy, I'll just concentrate on the decorations first. So for this Azure Afternoon, I'm gonna die cut this. We actually only need up to that second line, so you can die cut it that way. And I have gone ahead and added adhesive sheet for this Festive Glimmer. So we're just gonna die cut those. So for the Azure Afternoon, I'm just gonna line that up quite close to where I need it to end. And then for the Festive Glimmer, I'm gonna turn the cutting blade or the cutting side up, and because I prefer my cutting mat to be one-sided, I'm gonna put my clear plate at the bottom, turn that upside down, and then add my cutting plate on top. So hopefully that's gone through. You can kind of like see the lines at the back of that, but because it's got the adhesive sheet on it, it should still come off really easily. So for the Azure Afternoon, I'm gonna use the same die and just line that up slightly for the curve, or you can just freehand cut that freehand, but I want it to be curvy. So use that as a guide, and that's done. You can step it up with a bit of ink blending as well. Blueberry bushel. Around the edges. And then add my glimmer on there. So carefully take that off. This is. And then find the adhesive sheet backing. I tend to start from the tip on top and then take that off. If it's a one sheet only, it should be easier. I had a couple of big ones, so I'm just gonna pick that off. And the exit shoes or the offcuts of the design should just easily come off as well, like so. Again, from the tip, line that up on top, and then follow the design on the outline, and you have your decoration already done. So because that's got hollies on it, I'm gonna use Pearlized Enamel FX Basic and add that on. So just do loads of different dots around. You can fill it up or do less, but these do need to dry, so that's why I'm kind of like doing it now. Hopefully it'll be dry by the time that I get round to it. But as I said earlier, you can get 3 from one sheet of 6x6 DSP, so you could always bulk create these. Maybe I'll just add. Here we go. Right, I'll put that aside. So 2x6 basic white or 5 centimeters by 15.2. We're gonna score in half on the long edge at 3 inches, or what's that? 7.6 centimeters. Turn it the other way, we're gonna mark in the middle, so 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Just get a pencil, mark top and bottom, and then we're gonna create diagonal score lines on from the mark to the side edge. So you can either use your paper trimmer or a ball tool. And a ruler. There we go. So you have, if I fold it, you can see score lines a bit better. So this mirror image. Once that's done, we're just gonna bone fold that. And that's pretty much it. So we're just gonna finish up and decorate the front. And also create a hole. Don't forget the middle. There we go. So I have done that with this one. So to pierce a hole, I've just got a pierce tool and a pierce mat. You can like find a center point. You can probably line it up that way. Just create the hole, make it bigger. Like so. So it is a small treat holder, but you can still add like scissor charms, key rings, things like that, or small chocolates on there. And for the thread or tie, I've got this gold trim. Just gonna feed that through. It is slightly thicker, so I'm just gonna feed that through with take a pick tool. There we go. So under and over, right on the left, and then create a bow. So you can hang this on a tree as well, because you'll have the loop to keep that secure. And then to finish up, I'm just gonna add dimensional right in the center. Or you could always just do sentiment from the Decorative Trees. Like, for you, be merry. Where's the stamp set? There you go. So a very Merry Christmas, or the for you, or the end bit, be merry. Right, I'll just carefully add this on for now. It fits quite nicely within that frame. And there we go, a small treat holder featuring Decorative Trees dies and the Take a Bow DSP. I have got another one here using the same products, and I've even got a smaller piece. I've done a coloring class with the Sweetest Star, with a Cookie, Santa, and Mrs. Claus there. So I've just wanted to use the up, but this one is actually even smaller. This is 1.5 inches in the width instead of the 2 inches, and there's still something in there. So yes, so I hope you enjoy that idea and create one or many for yourselves and your friends and family. Do check out the description below for the product links, as well as the next video in the Global Stampin Video Hop. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, bye!